to Valor Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. This is one of my favorite floor plans. It's called the SAWYER. It's a 5-bedroom with 3 full baths. Come on in, let me show you around. This kitchen features granite countertops as well as the bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, and a nice size walk-in pantry. You have a laundry room right off the kitchen, which leads to the garage. You have a covered back porch. This home is almost 2,500 square feet. It is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance. It comes with a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. It also comes standard with a smart home package. D.R. Horton pays up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. And for a limited time, they're offering interest rates as low as 4.99. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.